Welcome. Let's start the interview. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you. My name is Mark, and I am an HVAC technician with hands-on experience in maintenance, troubleshooting, and installation of different HVAC systems.
Great. Let's begin with the technical questions. So tell me, what does HVAC stand for?
HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning.
Excellent. What is CFM?
CFM means cubic feet per minute. It measures the amount of air flowing through a system.
And what about GPM?
GPM stands for gallons per minute. It shows the flow rate of water in chilled water lines.
What is the difference between an AHU and an FCU?
An AHU, or air handling unit, is larger and used for big spaces. An FCU, or fan coil unit, is smaller and used for individual rooms.
Good. Can you explain the refrigeration cycle?
Yes, sir. The main parts are the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. The refrigerant flows through these components to absorb and release heat.
What are primary and secondary pumps?
Primary pumps circulate chilled water between the chiller and the building, while secondary pumps circulate it through AHUs and FCUs.
Okay, what is the function of the HP and LP switches?
HP and LP switches protect the compressor from abnormal pressures by shutting it down automatically.
What is a strainer used for?
It filters out dirt and debris from the chilled water line to protect the equipment.
Good. How many types of filters are used in AHUs?
Usually two, pre-filters and fine filters.
What is approach temperature?
It's the difference between the chilled water outlet temperature and the refrigerant evaporating temperature. It helps to check chiller performance.
Can you tell me the normal pressure of R22 gas?
Yes, sir. Suction pressure is around 62 to 65 psi, and discharge pressure is about 300 to 350 psi, depending on temperature.
Good. What do you mean by delta T?
Delta T means the difference between the inlet and outlet water temperature in a cooling coil.
Do you know what BMS is?
Yes, sir. It stands for Building Management System. It helps monitor and control HVAC systems and other building operations.
What is the function of the expansion valve?
It reduces the refrigerant pressure so that cooling can occur in the evaporator coil.
Excellent. What maintenance do you perform during PPM?
We clean filters, check pressures, inspect sensors, test electrical connections, and ensure all components work properly.
What is the meaning of 1 TR?
1 TR means 1 ton of refrigeration, equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. It defines the cooling capacity of a system.
And how do you measure TR?
It can be measured in British thermal units per hour, kilowatts, or watts. 1 TR equals 12,000 British thermal units per hour, which is about 3.517 kilowatts.
Good. What is the full form of BTU?
BTU means British thermal unit. It's the amount of heat needed to raise 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit.
Very good. What are the safety devices used in a chiller?
There are HP and LP switches, oil pressure sensors, antifreeze protection, and temperature sensors.
And what is the purpose of these safety devices?
They protect the compressor and system from abnormal conditions, like high pressure, low oil, or sensor failure.
You've mentioned TR earlier. How can you know a unit's TR by looking at it?
The unit's sticker or nameplate shows its cooling capacity in BTU, or TR. For example, 12,000 BTU means 1 TR. 24,000 BTU means 2 TR.
Right. So if a sticker shows 48,000 BTU, how many TR is that?
That's 4 TRs, sir.
Perfect. Why is it important to know a unit's TR?
To make sure we install the right unit according to the cooling load of the space. Too small won't cool properly. Too big wastes energy.
Okay, one more thing. What is turning in HVAC terms?
Turning means the tonnage or cooling capacity of the system, like 1 ton, 2 ton, or 3 ton.
Excellent answer. You've explained all the concepts clearly.
Thank you, sir.
That's all for today. You did well. Your technical understanding is good, and your explanations are clear.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure meeting you.